Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Game Center avatar on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to change the profile picture or the avatar of the Game Center, we need to open the settings, then scroll all the way down and you should be able to find Game Center options over here, and then choose Edit Avatar. Over here you have some pre-made letters that you can do. You can also edit them over here. You can switch the style, you can change the text. Let's actually cancel that. Well, let's go back. And of course, we can also use Memoji as well. So if you prefer to use like this animal over here, then of course you can do that as well. You can press next. You can move and scale over here, so you can pinch in order to zoom in and zoom out. You can also, of course, reposition it as well with your finger. Press to choose. Then you can change the background color. Then press done in the top right corner, and there we go. And this is how we can change our profile avatar. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!